In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best electric bicycles in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which electric bicycle is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, ECOTRIC Electric Powerful Bike. Maximum speed, 32 km h, 20 miles per hour or h. Pure electric power mileage, over 19 miles. Bicycle weight, 58 pounds, lots capacity, 260 pounds. Come with pedal aid and walk assist version. A blackout braking system as well as a mechanical braking system, which work along both lines, provide security for your journey. Please pay attention to the size as well as the weight of the bike in case it is as well big or heavy for you to ride. Complete weight, 74.63 pounds. Solid 500 watt brushless back motor, supply effective power to a bike, allowing it to get to rates of up to 23 miles per hour. Battery, the detachable 36V lithium cell with a smart lithium battery charger. 26x 4.0 fat tire in all-road fat tire, durable all-problem roadway, more than safe, equilibrium, quick, and also steady for your cycling. 36 version 12.5 Ah removable lithium battery, 120 abdominal plastic cell box. Here is the item number 4. Heybike Mars Electric Bike. 48 miles array and 20 miles per hour full throttle. Mars is geared up with modular 48V 12.5 Ah batteries and 500W brushless geared motor to make certain a long life period and also outstanding performance. 4-inch fat tires and shock absorber with 4 broad puncture immune fat tires, suspension front fork, and seat message. The areas that Heybike Mars can take you are virtually limitless. Midtown, around rough roads, sandy coastlines, snowy suburbs, and also city jungles. Superb riding performance. Personalize your trip performance with 3 riding modes and also Shimano 7-speed. The ideal dual disc brakes and lighting system fully shield your safety and security. Foldable and adjustable layout. It's hard to defeat the ease of a bike that origamis to fit your car, however can also make your commute quicker and also less tiring. With its adjustable stem and seat, Mars is comfortably suited to motorcyclists varying in height from 5 foot 3 inch right up to 6 feet 3 inches. Ready to go. The electrical bike currently comes pre-assembled, so you won't have to lose time with a difficult setup. Integrated back shelves can attach panniers, systems, or baskets as well as allow the bike to bring your cargo and next experience. The item number 3, Heybike Cityscape Electric Bike. Long array battery and powerful electric motor with a modular 36V, 10Ah battery, the Cityscape allows cyclists to take a trip as much as 40 miles per cost making use of pedal help. 350W rear drive electric motor provides trustworthy support and 19 miles per hour full throttle. Update your traveling much better. Products step through geometry structure, as well as large swept-back handlebar, with all the benefits of the Cityscape. This is truth convenience cruiser you have actually been looking for. Outstanding riding experience furnished with 26-inch slit immune tires, Shimano 7-speed as well as a double shock absorber. Cityscape lets you get across the community like never ever in the past. The best double disc brakes as well as an illumination system fully protect your safety and security. 3 functioning settings. Breeze around without the demand to pedal at all when making use of the throttle function, or, if you are elegant pedaling, start one of the 3 different degrees of pedal assist to assist you to get where you're doing without breaking a sweat. Ready to go. The electric bike already comes primarily pre-assembled, so you will not need to lose time with complicated setting up. The integrated rear rack can connect panniers, systems, or baskets and also let the bike bring your freight as well as your next journey. Number 2 on our list, VIVI Folding Electric Bike. Folding electric bike layout. The adult folding electrical MTB embraces an ultra-lightweight yet solid lightweight aluminum alloy frame that can rapidly fold up and also save in the trunk of the car or in the house. Easy to bring, you can start your cycling journey anytime. Furnished with adjustable seats, handlebars. Career Shimano 21-speed system mechanical front and back disc brake design for trusted stopping pressure and security element. Professional Shimano 21-speed transmission system can give you a selection of speed options. Strong 350W motor. This electrical bike for grown-ups is geared up with a 350W broadband brushless electric motor. The brushless electric motor has had a longer life expectancy and also a faster beginning rate. 36V/8Ah detachable battery with an energy-saving system, longer battery use time. The 4 to 6 hours of charging time is enough for your day-to-day commute or a day of biking in the hills. 3 functioning modes: e-bike and assisted bicycle and typical bike. With the LED 3-speed-wise meter button, it guarantees a range of 44 to 50 miles when riding in pedal assist, or 22 to 25 miles using throttle just. You can select the e-bike to take pleasure in a long time traveling. Solution: this grown-up electrical bicycle gets here 90% setup. It's not hard to end up assembly by yourself. Motor, battery, controller and also control panel are assured for 1 year. We likewise give front and back fenders totally free, so don't stress over utilizing. The top one in our list, ANCHEER electric mountain bike. Stronger 350W motor. The commute bike Sunlight is geared up with a 350W broadband brushless motor, offering sufficient to power your daily commute, a cruise ship on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite route. With accelerate to 20 miles per hour, it will obtain you there swiftly. Removable battery. With the 36V 10.4Ah lithium-ion battery, you can reach a variety of approximately 22 to 40 miles per charge. Plenty for a day's adventure or a lot of trips to travel as well as back. You can build the battery on-off the bike by your ease. High-cost performance components. The light, strong aluminum alloy frame, lightweight aluminum alloy double-walled rims are for higher durability, a high-stamina front suspension fork, professional 21-speed gears, front and back mechanical disc brakes, can take your riding comfort to the following level and also maintain you secure. 3 functioning modes: a bike and assisted bicycle and typical bike. With the LED 4-speed-wise meter switch, you can pick the electric help power according to your needs. You can add a burst of speed with the throttle, which is optimal for pulling away from traffic lights. Integrating 3 modes would be a better option. Service available. This bicycle gets here 85% put together. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best electric bicycle amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.